Eat this.
I'm in heaven, Mr. Squidward.
Make the ground shake.
What are you doing? Does not work for me, haha.
You are banned on Twitch, you're banned from the Discord, you're blocked on social media, every single one I have, and not only that, you're canceled.
Oh no!
Oh yes.
Oh no!
Oh yes.
Oh no!
Oh yes.
Open your mouth!
Hamburger.
Oh no!
Oh yes. Shrimp Alfredo?
Oh no!
Oh yes.